So that's the real question. Will it shatter or will it bend? Oh, hey everybody, Vinny with Cosmis Racing Wheels. Welcome to the channel. So we have a question. Do you think it will bend or do you think it'll break? Will it shatter in pieces?
What? Well, what?
The wheel. If we grab a wheel and we drop it off 2 stories, will it break? Will it shatter in pieces or will it bend? Bless you.
Oh, it's gonna bend.
Not shatter.
It will not shatter. I'd bet a lot of things on it.
We're gonna find out. Dane, drop a wheel 2 stories, bend, shatter. Totally break the or no?
I think it's going to break. How's that for an answer?
That's good. Christopher. Get Christopher. Christopher, will it break? Will it shatter? Will it bend?
It's going to be 50-50 bent floor / chipped concrete.
All right. You think we should do it?
I think we should do it.
You think we should do it? You think we should do it? You know what?
I see money on the wall and I'm like, oh, I'm like my babies. My babies. My precious.
I think our #1 sold wheel is white. So, let's go. You act like you're working, bro. What? You act like you're working.
You're really good acting.
I gotta be honest with you guys. I didn't think Josh would be like, yeah, cool with it. We appreciate you guys, every single one of you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. We hit 10,000. We're gonna give away a set of free wheels, a set of silver suspension. So subscribe silvers, and don't forget to like and share. You know what I was thinking? Here's a thought. We're gonna drop this wheel. We're gonna give this wheel away. What do you think? Should we give this wheel away? Mariah, what do you think? This personality over here. Last time we put her on camera, she cried.
I'm dancing now.
Bend or shatter? Bend or shatter?
It's only gonna bend, man. I can see the future.
I don't know. It's right here. All right. Y'all ready for this? All right, let's go. Man, it's hot. Sweating. Nothing new. I sweat a lot. I'm a little worried we're gonna hurt Loxley. You don't think so? Right there, you ready? Bring me down. So the worst thing that happened is I sweat through my body.
No, center cap down. Center cap down. We lost the center cap. The ring popped out.
The ring totally popped out.
I think
the wheel.
Yeah, the paint is a little, you know, a little scuffed, but you could still mount and balance this thing.
This is what we got from a direct fall from what? That's over 20 feet. Yeah. Over 20 feet. You guys take a look. Now you can hit a curb and your tire will still, you'll still get home. You'll still get home. Won't look like me all sweaty, but you'll still get home.
We've had Formula Drift drivers actually DB'd the entire tire and complete the on the wheel, and the wheel was still round and able to be used. So this is way more than you're going to do with your car, with your wheels, and we just proved how durable they are.
Well, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. 10,000 subscribers.
We're not
giving away a set of wheels.
Not
a busted wheel.
It's going to be brand new.
Brandy new.